but that is gorgeous. Look at this. Let me pull this out here for you. What is up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture Hop Farm. And if my surroundings look familiar to you, you know what we're about to do. Check on these worms. So let's go ahead and break into it. We're gonna take off that protection. This is to protect it from the rodents and from the cats. And this is just to protect them from coming out. Let's pull out a little bit more light for you. See if we can get some more light. Our digging utensil. Go completely pull this off here. And let's check on them. I want you guys to get a little closer. Don't fall over on me now. So let's dig around a little bit. Still a couple of inches of leaves on the top, so they still got food there on the top. As soon as I get from those leaves, they are right there though. Check this out. Oh yes, that is looking good. There's tons of red wigglers all through this, guys. We still got some time though. We still got some time. They are not done. Oh, but that is gorgeous. Look at this. Let me pull this out here for you. Smells really earthy. Red wigglers all through this. We are really close to being done in here. Really close, really close. They still have sand, I'm saying, so we don't need to add any grit. Their food right now is the leaves and some paper. And there's still some manure down in the bottom. Let me check down here on this side. Oh yes, moist. It doesn't need any liquid, no any water. Smells good. Oh yes. There's worms everywhere in here. Thousands, probably 10,000 red wigglers in here. Looking fantastic, looking fantastic. Not as quick as I was hoping it would be. I was hoping that these guys would be done within 3 months. And it's been just over 3 months now. So we're gonna have to wait till 5 month area before we can finish out. Just go ahead and clear this whole thing out. See how many worms we have. And then we'll make more worm bins with, like, see this big 55-gallon drum right there? We can cut that in half and make 2. We'll cut it long ways and you can flatten it out kind of like a tub, and we can have 2 of them in there. So I've got plans to double, if not triple on the first spread. We'll have a couple of pounds going back into this one once we clean it out, a couple of pounds going into half of a 55-gallon barrel, and another couple of pounds going into another half 55-gallon barrel. So once we clean this out in a month and a half, we're gonna have enough worms to triple our capacity and start making even more worm compost, more worm tea, more worm leachate, whatever you want to call it. So that's it, guys, just a quick update. If you want to see how I put this bed together, I'm gonna drop in a video right here. Click on that video, it'll show you how I put this together with the bathtub, with all the material and the worms for only 25 bucks. The link is right here. Make sure you click on that to learn. And also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit me a thumbs up if you would. Later, guys. Oh yeah, we didn't have any sort of bug problem, no ant problem, it didn't look like there was any sort of flies, gnats, any kind of intruders into the worm bin, so all good on that.